morning everyone, and welcome to our Rifle Range Meals and Wheels branch. Yeah, a lot of cooking gets done and a lot of feeding gets done. You know, we feed Monday to Friday. Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays, just to give you an example, this little kitchen will feed the street kids in South Hills and Moffat View. And on Wednesdays we do a big feeding outside to all the homeless, probably around 900 to 1,000 people. And then we also feed around 6 to 7 old age homes that we feed every single person. So a lot of cooking does here, and there's also all the branches. We've got around 280 service centers around. We're going to do this wonderful cooking. Just one important thing I need you to understand is whatever you cook, you're eating. That's your lunch today. So cook well today so it tastes nice.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. And now
it's heartwarming to know that, you know, we're doing this. We don't get a chance to do this very often, so an opportunity like this comes, it's a wonderful opportunity for me.
Not only am I participating on behalf of ABSA, but I'm doing something that is heartfelt and a personal need within myself.
And I'm trying to get back before the cool done run out. I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
We are absolutely enjoying what we are doing. It warms our hearts to know that as ABSA, such a big company, we can actually come out, leave our work for one special day to make somebody else's day extremely, extremely special. So
it's a nice day out of the office, doing something that is a little bit out of the ordinary for us. Cutting up chickens, working on a meal that's going to feed the old age home is very relevant for us.
Thank you.
My name is Juan Malan. I'm staying here in the old age home, Bella Vista Cottages. We would like to thank ABSA and Meals on Wheels for the donations they're giving us in form of food and goods and clothing. We really appreciate it, and we're hoping to see them in the future again with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, EPSA!
And it was fun. Everybody put their heart into it and everything tastes good. It was fun. We worked with what we got.
It was the best day ever. We did it with love. We did it with passion and giving the people the food there. It was very much emotional. I just hold myself, wanted to cry, but yeah, I love this. I'll continue doing this as long as I'm living.
I must say that I'm here for around 6 months in South Africa, and today was one of the best days. In fact, it was the best day that I spent. And yeah, there was emotions, there was a lot of underprivileged people around, but somehow it's still, there was a lot of fun doing this entire activity, and I think Meals on the Wheels is also doing a great work, and thanks to them for giving us this opportunity. And thanks, Afsa.
Today was an absolute blessing, if I can call it anything at all. These tiny little hands chopped, peeled, cut, cooked and everything else, and it was all worth it. If I had to do it 10 times over, I would, just to put a smile on to those little faces that we saw today, and as well as the older community. It was absolutely awesome.
It was definitely an eye-opener. You almost feel guilty that you haven't done this before and don't do it again. So thank you to Wheels on Meals and thank you to EPSA for the opportunity.